Hello and welcome to the Pet Room. David Bradley here. In a previous video from afar, you saw that I had success with an eraser and the IEEE port. Well, the cable is still plugged in, but what I thought I would do is try and repeat this from inside, except this time on the user port. So have a look there at how difficult it is to see the little pins and how much nicer they look after the pencil is applied. I think I need to turn this over. So there is the pencil, and there is the port, looking so much better. I would suspect that if I were to kind of rub it a little bit, that would help get rid of some of the debris. Anyway, for any machine that you have trouble, or even with there's the pencil, with the cassette drive or anything, look at the connectors. There are chemicals that you can put on there, but perhaps the best thing to try first is a pencil with an eraser. So that's it. That's all. Thanks so much for coming. Bye for now.